Try that again. Happy Friday, everyone. I'm Blake Hotchkiss, Clinical Education Specialist with the Association for Vascular Access. Coming to you live on Friday. Just want to give you a couple quick updates. Super excited about conference. We are less than a month away. If you haven't registered, please take a look at all the amazing speakers. Check out our pre-conference workshops. There's tons of educational opportunities and material to look at, learn, and see who's speaking and what we're talking about at conference. I put a link down in the description down below, so take an opportunity to do that. Also, next Friday, hopefully we'll have the PD NeoSig chair and the chair advisor on to talk about the pre-conference workshop. New take this year. So last year, very similarly, we had all about PICC insertion. This year, we're breaking it up into a beginner and an advanced module. So the morning session being the beginners, we're looking at upper extremity insertion, and the advanced module looking at some of the lower extremity insertions. So really cool. I know that the special interest group has spent a lot of time really honing in these topics to make it worthwhile, including some of the advanced topics like ECG tip confirmation in that special population. But we'll be covering things like ultrasound and other things like that. So definitely take a look at that if you're interested, if you practice in that space or practice in that space. Check out our pre-conference workshop. It's a great way to be at conference and be hands-on. Lots of other opportunities as well. Next week, we have a special guest Monday. We're going to have Lisa Gorski coming on to talk about her webinar coming up on Thursday, the 28th at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So on vacation this week, and she is well deserving of that, but we're going to catch her on Monday when she's back home. Get her on our Facebook Live so that we can have a little chat about what to expect, kind of like we usually do as we promote these webinars. We want to give you an opportunity here about that, but really want to thank the AVA Foundation for sponsoring the event through an unrestricted educational grant from BD. Just really excited. We haven't had an event talking about implanted vascular access devices, and this is a great opportunity to learn a little bit more about that subject. And, again, less than a month away from conference. So excited. I can't wait to see all you guys. I know for some of you guys who tune in to Facebook Live or check us out at the webinars or our virtual roundtables, there's tons of educational opportunities throughout the year. But one of my biggest goals coming on with the organization was to make our virtual education feel a little bit more like conference because, we had the pandemic. We're back in person. And I will say there's nothing like giving your friends a big hug, people you haven't seen in a while, and learning from all of the great experts out there in industry today. So with that, let's take us out. Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in to Facebook Friday. Happy to be here and really excited about conference. Of course, you can follow the Association for Vascular Access anywhere out there on social media. That's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. If you're a big fan of YouTube, like I am, you can check us out there as well. And with that, have a great weekend. Catch you on the next one.